Good morning, Kalispell. I hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. So today we're going to talk about an alternative medicine treatment for bulging or herniated discs. It's commonly known as spinal decompression therapy, and there's several variants of this therapy. And the one that we absolutely love the most is using the vertebral distraction pump. So what we would do is, if we've found that you have a bulging or herniated disc, and there is a different tool for the neck. This one specifically here is for the mid-back and the lower back. But let's say you had a bulging disc in the low back at L5, which is the most common level, right down here. So mind you, you'd be laying on the table here, and I'm going to use one here up higher in the low back so you guys can see. But what we would do, as long as it isn't a surgical emergency, so you've lost control of bowel and bladder function, or you can't move your legs at all, we would use this on the facet joints, which are in the back, and make a nice low contact there. And I'll raise that there. See what it's doing there? Gives a nice pumping motion, and what it does is it helps suck the disc back in and help return it to its normal position. So if you look at research, around 80% of spinal pain is generated from the disc. So that's a relatively uncommonly known fact, I would say. So a lot of times people think that they're having a different sort of pain when actually it boils right down to their disc needs properly hydrated, and the disc actually needs motion. Once you get those goals accomplished, there you are, you're out of pain, which isn't saying much about the spinal curve, which is a whole separate issue which would need correcting on its own. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free, shoot them over to us in a message, and we'll do our best to get back to you. Have a great day, Kalispell.